Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 19, 2022. Evil Sudoku. Column D. 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 4, 8. 4th grade. We have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4, 8. 5th row and 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 8. 6th row and 6th grade, 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. 6th grade, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 7. 10th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, 8th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column I, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row and 4th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in only 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column F, column G and 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column E, then column G we have 7, second row also we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G and third grid we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column D and 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column C we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Since 8 is here, 8th row only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in 2 cells, we will confirm later. 10th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in 2 cells, we will confirm later. 4th row we have 8, so 8 can come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Column G we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third grade 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in another 2 cells. 4th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column G only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. Column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. Second row we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.